Number 1. The 1978 Oldsmobile Toronado, priced at $5,800. The car is still in good condition with shiny black paint and red accent stripes, although there is some rust on the right rear wheel arch. The interior is luxurious with intact red velvet seats, and the dashboard and steering wheel are well maintained. The engine bay is clean and original, reflecting its status as an original survivor. With automatic transmission, this car is ready to drive and comes with many spare parts to anticipate future needs. Number 2. The 1967 Pontiac GTO, priced at $4,900. It is equipped with a powerful 400 V8 engine, although the owner does not have build sheets for it. The engine has been fitted with a large camshaft and paired with a T5 5-speed manual transmission taken from a 1983-1987 Camaro or Firebird, along with a center force clutch. The car also has a 4.11 rear gear ratio, allowing optimal use of the 5-speed transmission. It features American racing wheels and new Cooper Cobras tires, along with a matching full-size spare wheel. Headman long tube headers, rear air shocks, and a retro sound radio with rear and front panel speakers are also installed. All the car's features work well, except for the cigarette lighter and turn signal, which often fails to return automatically. Equipped with power steering and power brakes, but it does not have AC. According to the previous owner, the car's paint job was completed about 5 to 6 years ago, with excellent quality, and it is ready to be showcased at local car events. The car has been inspected, serviced, repaired, and is ready for a comfortable drive. Number 3. The 1968 Dodge Polara 500, priced at $8,500. This is a very beautiful classic car, perfect for enjoying the summer. This southern car is known for its solid body condition. Wrapped in black with a blue interior, this Dodge is very appealing to own. Powered by a 413 V8 engine that runs very well, and paired with an automatic transmission, the car still offers a comfortable and powerful driving experience. Features like power steering and power brakes are still functional. The car also comes with classic factory-style wheels. It is in excellent condition with no rust or dents, and the owner purchased it from a dealer a few years ago, but now rarely has time to drive it. Number 4. The 1968 Mercury Park Lane convertible, priced at $9,500. It is in good condition, with a reconditioned powertrain, and has been fitted with an additional electric fan to improve cooling when used in parades or cruising. The exterior is metallic blue with a new soft top, while the well-maintained interior features black leather seats and a fully functional dashboard. Although this car is not a trailer queen and shows signs of use, it still looks attractive and can turn heads on the road. Number 5. The 1968 Chrysler 300, priced at $8,500. Powered by a 440 cubic inch engine and a 727 automatic transmission, this car is well maintained, living up to its nickname as the Road Couch, emphasizing driving comfort. The interior is in good condition, with a 60/40 power driver's seat that adds extra comfort. Some repairs have been made, including a new windshield, new master cylinder, and the tires are still in good condition on road wheels. The car also comes with some additional spare parts, showing the owner's care for the vehicle. The exterior, with its metallic green paint, still looks shiny despite the car's age, and the overall condition of the car indicates that it is worth buying. Number 6. The 1963 Mercury Monterey S55, priced at $9,500. This is a rare model with a 2-door hardtop configuration, equipped with a 390 4BBL engine and an automatic transmission. The car has also received several upgrades, including Samson headers, a new exhaust system with Super 44 mufflers and black chrome exhaust tips, and an Edelbrock 150 carburetor. The braking system has been updated with a new master cylinder, booster, and IVEW brakes. The ignition system has also been upgraded with an MSD distributor and ignition, along with a new generator and voltage regulator. The rear suspension has been repaired, and the power steering system has been updated with a new pump and steering assist arm. Additionally, the car still has a functioning breezeway window, making it even more special. This car is offered at a bargain price, well below its appraisal value, and some trades may be considered. Number 7. The 1975 Oldsmobile Cutlass S, priced at $7,200. This car is in very good condition, with a well-maintained body free of holes or rust, both in the floor and trunk. The interior looks clean with its well-preserved red color, giving an impression of originality without significant damage. The car is also equipped with a reliable 350 V8 engine that delivers decent power with smooth driving performance. The odometer, in miles, indicates consistent maintenance, and the car has likely been stored indoors to preserve its condition. Overall, this is a good example of an Oldsmobile model that is still worth seeking out by collectors. Number 8. The 1976 Oldsmobile 88, priced at $2,100. This car is in need of attention. The exterior shows signs of aging with dull paint and some scratches, as well as visible rust in some areas. The 455 big block engine appears complete, but requires further maintenance. The interior is quite dirty, with worn-out seats that need a deep cleaning. Nevertheless, all features such as power windows still function well. The power steering hose is currently leaking, but a replacement is available and still in its packaging. This car is still drivable and runs well, although it needs a repaint and thorough cleaning to restore its appearance. Number 9. The 1966 Plymouth Barracuda, priced at $8,500. This car is in original condition and looks good despite showing some signs of age. The body of the car still uses original metal with no rust on the underside, although there is surface rust in some areas. The interior shows signs of wear, especially in the rear seats, but is still in relatively good condition. The trunk shows rust in the spare tire storage area. The engine has been upgraded with a 273 4BIBL and an automatic transmission with a shift kit. Several important components such as tires, brakes, brake lines, starter, and exhaust have been replaced. The car is reported to run very well and has passed a safety inspection. Number 10. The 1967 Ford Falcon, priced at $9,500. This car is in good condition and has been modified. The exterior features shiny red paint with a body that looks straight and well-maintained. The interior is adorned with matching red, with a sporty aftermarket steering wheel and a dashboard equipped with various instruments. The car's engine is a 289K code, hypo, that has recently been refreshed, fitted with a flat tappet cam, and paired with a C4 transmission with a 2800 RPM stall converter, indicating that the car has been optimized for performance. In the trunk, there is an aftermarket aluminum fuel tank. The car requires an out-of-province inspection as it is not yet registered, and the seller is not interested in trading. Number 11. The 1988 Chrysler Fifth Avenue, priced at $6,300. This is a luxury car with the Luxy package, equipped with a 5.0-liter V8 engine producing 202 HP and an automatic transmission with rear-wheel drive. The car is fully equipped with premium features such as cold AC, a good windshield, tires in good condition, a premium AM/FM XM audio system, fabric interior, and a push-start feature. Registered in Alberta and owned by only one previous owner, the car also has very low mileage for its age, only 78,000 miles. With the engine still in very good condition and a clean Carfax report, the car has also passed an inspection by a certified mechanic, ensuring that it remains in prime condition. Number 12. The 1969 Lincoln Continental, priced at $8,600. This is a well-maintained car in exceptional condition, powered by a strong Ford 460 engine with low mileage. This classic vehicle features the iconic suicide doors and is equipped with complete features such as dual climate control, power windows, and an interior that is still in perfect condition. As a nostalgic touch, the car is also equipped with an 8-track player. The owner is open to trades for a food truck, trailer, or yacht, showing flexibility in the transaction for this rare classic car. Number 13. The 1968 Plymouth Fury VIP, priced at $8,500. This is a classic car that remains in original condition and has been well cared for by its second owner. The car still uses its original factory, sable white paint, black velvet roof, and tan vinyl trim, adding to its authentic appearance. Powered by a Mopar Big Block 383 CID V8 engine, known for its high performance, paired with a 3-speed TorqueFlite automatic transmission, it still offers a smooth and powerful driving experience. With the odometer showing 66,000 miles, the car has undergone thorough maintenance and tuning, so it still functions perfectly. Although there is some rust behind the rear wheels, the trunk and floor are in very good condition, making it an ideal choice for use as a daily driver during the summer. Number 14. The 1966 Chevrolet Impala, priced at $4,300, has been fitted with a big block engine. Rusted parts have been repaired, but the car still needs assembly, and some bodywork is required. The interior of the doors, hood, and trunk have already been painted, and the owner also provides 1 gallon of blue paint to continue the work. Additionally, there are 2 donor cars available for spare parts. This car offers great potential for classic restoration enthusiasts who are ready to give it the final touches and attention needed to bring back its beauty. Number 15. The 1969 Toyota Corona MK2 wagon, priced at $8,000, is nearly restored and just needs a few final touches. The engine has been repaired with the installation of new timing gears, chains, tensioners, and guides. The Weber 3236 conversion is almost complete, but requires the installation of the choke, throttle cable, and kickdown linkage. Since the car couldn't be run while the timing was being replaced, the ignition system hasn't been set up, so it needs to be finished for the car to function properly. The car comes with original Wings Erebus 3PC wheels that are still in perfect working order. The engine is an 18RC paired with a 3-speed Toyoglide transmission and rear-wheel drive, RWD. Interestingly, the owner is unsure of the exact price, so feel free to make an offer if you're interested. Check the video description for more details. Hope you have a great day. Keep watching other videos to find your preferred car.